The authorities over there have set up a sovereign wealth fund, and they have chosen an executive director to lead this new body. The fund will essentially be responsible for key government investments. CGTN's Yasser Hakim has the details about the Egypt Fund, as it's known, and its importance to the North African economy.
An Egyptian sovereign wealth fund is finally a reality. A preliminary capital of $13 billion have been allocated for the fund.
We have about 120 state-owned companies and 9 holding companies, but they are all dispersed. We also have extra cash revenue from the export of natural gas in addition to the assets owned by the government. Once they are all under the wealth fund, they will be well managed in a way that would create badly needed revenue for the state.
Nothing has been announced yet on the type of investments expected by the sovereign fund. The board of directors is chaired by the Minister of Planning, Halil Said, and includes investment and financial experts. To appoint a director, the government has been working for months, meeting several candidates and discussing the best possible person to lead this fund. Ayman Suleiman has been chosen as the new director of the Egypt Sovereign Fund. He has a wide range of experience in the investment sector. Ayman Suleiman is to map out a plan for the structure and operations of the fund.
Ayman, the new director, is the co-founder of a European electronic bank. He orchestrated the acquisition of an Italian telecoms giant, Wind, by Egypt's Orascom Telecom. He has a strong CV with experience in various sectors, including real estate, telecoms, direct investments, international acquisitions and mergers.
Egypt is following in the footsteps of other countries, regionally and internationally.
Many countries have established wealth funds worth trillions of dollars. The largest sovereign fund in the world is Norway's, and in the region is Abu Dhabi. Second largest worldwide is China. Saudi fund is one of the largest as well.
Experts believe the fund is an essential tool to boost investments.
The fund has its own laws and regulations which protect it from the complicated state bureaucracy and red tape which Egypt has suffered from for years. Decision-making and implementation is much faster, and the management team is highly qualified to achieve the targets set by the directors.
The government says the revenue from the Sovereign Wealth Fund will help support the state budget and annual expenditure. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.